What is the worst cheating story you have ever heard? Dad had an affair while working overseas. Tells mom a year later, makes her wait a week to tell the kids, so we're left wondering why mom is crying all the time. Dad promptly walks out right after the bomb is dropped, leaving kids and wife devastated. Don't hear from him for the next 4 months. Then proceeds to torment mother for the next year, making her believe they might salvage the relationship. Fast forward 3 years, brings woman from overseas and marries her in the courthouse without telling either of his children until 2 months afterwards.